Well, hello and welcome everyone to my channel again. You're probably wondering why this is the way it is and this is in my hands. Well, to understand that and how we got here, first we need to hear a word from our sponsors. Now, there ain't no sponsors on this damn channel, y'all know that. But today's video is sponsored by Sparkling Ice Caffeine. It's what keeps me going. It tastes like Mountain Dudes. Refreshing as the dudes are bulky. Anyway, so this is my old Corsair 7 Hero motherboard that I was super excited to install and hook up in this computer. And today's video, we're going to go ahead and do that and show you the install process and all that stuff. The little time-lapse thing shouldn't take long. If you like time-lapse-y type things, maybe you'll find it entertaining, I don't know. But let's go ahead and start rolling the time-lapse here. What I'm going to be illustrating here in the time-lapse is the teardown process. The overall just kind of disassembly of the old stuff. Me getting excited, prepping myself to just dismantle all of this old motherboardness that I don't like and didn't want to deal with, and frankly haven't really enjoyed this motherboard very much. This old MSI carbon gaming crap that has terrible BIOS, terrible, I don't know, features, I guess. I really honestly didn't like this motherboard at all. I'm happy to see it go. I mean, aesthetically, it was awesome looking. I actually really liked it, like, aesthetically. I enjoyed it thoroughly. However, like I said, the MSI carbon, gaming carbon, whatever, just features-wise, BIOS-wise, it was so limited. The RGB and stuff on it, so limited what you could do with it. Their software, just trash software. I hated it. So we're just going ahead, getting installed. So we're going ahead and uninstalled the motherboard. We're prepping the new Asus Hero 7, rather old. This is an X470 build. Super excited to install this. Updated the BIOS, tested it, everything ran. We're good. We should be good to go ahead and install this board. Honestly, it's been a long ass time too since I've done a computer build. Any maintenance on this computer, I've just been kind of running it, using it, playing on it, doing that sort of thing. And it's been fine. It's been okay. Aside from the motherboard issues that I mentioned about, just that I've been frustrated and annoyed with. And once I found out that Asus revisited this board for some reason and updated the BIOS in August of this year, 2023 here, I was like, shit, let's go, let's use it. I'm stoked. And based on that, I mean, we're done. We're ready to go. We're ready to install. We're ready to boot this thing. We're ready to fill the loop. I was just going to run some distilled water through it, basically, just to kind of, make sure everything's okay before I commit to the actual, Corsair coolant. That's a different video. You stay tuned for that. So here we go. Let's fill this pig up with water. Let's get it ready to boot. Let's get ready for this computer to post. Let's get ready to install Windows. Fresh, clean install. Gosh. Honestly, though, this motherboard aesthetically is just pretty, I think. And honestly, I'd say the best part about this video, besides the fact that we had some massive technical difficulties with this board and it functioning properly. As you can see in this video, the monitor's not turning on. But the best part is when I injured myself here. I don't know what I cut myself on, but I cut myself on something pretty good. And had to go field dress that wound. And where we're leaving this video is up in the air because I don't know what is wrong with this board. And that's why you're seeing this board in my hand. If you read some of my comments in my other video, next week you'll get to see a new motherboard that I get to try out, and we continue the quest there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this is mildly entertaining. This project has been absolutely, completely unentertaining to myself.
Damn, that really got me.
But here we are.
What the hell happened? But
I'm still plugging away at it, trying to get it to work and run.
Let me go grab a tourniquet real quick here.
Been an absolutely hot mess of a project, but I hopefully this is still entertaining somewhat to you guys. Some computer content for you guys. Take it easy, be well, like, comment, consider subscribing, all that crap. You know what to do. Other than that, take it easy. See ya. Whatever.